Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Wagwan. Dancehall Skilla there again with more videos to present to you. And I have certain things I want to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Big up. Manners. Respect. Alright, now first things first. I am going to present a video to you, and you can hear someone talking in this video. Now, based on some things that I saw and heard in this video, I got the understanding that a person talk about and also show a certain type of living condition, and the person leave one country to work in another country. Now, my people, I share this video as much as possible to help bring an awareness. Because you have a lot of people who left their country to work in other countries out there in the world, and a lot of them go through certain bad situations and bad living conditions in viewers and subscribers. See? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think, my people. Observe.
Yes, people, we need a video. You have to go out in the world. We are paying $550 US a month. A New York, yes, so I never come a foreign and can use fan. $550 a month, people. See it there? We don't have no friggin' AC. We don't have no washing machine. 9 of us stay here, 1 bathroom. 9 of us stay here, 1 fridge, 1 stove. See it? Fan again. See there? We have to use a hand and wash. No washing machine. And we're $550. See there? We have to use the hand and wash. Some breed of rat with there. Big like a dog puppy. See there? And this we're washing our people. And we're $550 a month.
My people, you hear the things about the person say? 9 persons? No, John, no. That's why I see when I see some people have certain things in their life, you know, people of a bad mind, them, you know, because they don't know where a man or a woman go through for earn whatsoever them having. You know. You see, there are some people. But on a real though, say, Jamaica one nice place, no, my people. And just the crime and violence are the problem, you know. And other little things as well too. You see me, I say, I should do some little things, you know. But anyway, so, in another part of the video, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person mentioned someone and mentioned a business establishment. So, based on the things that the person said, I assume that the person work for that person and work at that place. That's what I assume. You see me, I say, I assume so. In a Moscow, so. You see? But, you see the thing is now, my people, some things that the person say in the video really and truly make me have to just shake me, me have to wonder. See? More want to be careful if you decide to not leave the country to go out there to work into other countries out there worldwide. You see, because sometimes you might think that you're leaving your country to go in a better situation and it might be worse than where you come from. Believe it or not, you see? So I want to share this video and help to bring an awareness. Yeah, share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. See? Yeah man, brace yourself because I have more videos I'm going to present to you. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a few persons, and in this video you can hear a few of those persons talking about voodoo. Now some people call voodoo Obeah and some people call voodoo witchcraft. You see me, some people also call voodoo might be other names as well. You see me, I say my people, who knows what they want to call it. But here's the thing now. Why I listen to some things that these persons said and tell me what I think. You can tell me if you believe in a Obeah or if you do not believe in a Obeah. And I'm not here to teach anyone how to work Obeah, you know. So I'm going to block out certain things because the video also shows one book. You hear me, people? The video also shows a book. Anyways, look, listen and observe for yourself.
Yo, I know you that thing by. Someone sit and write up your ass and if him joke you say
so voodoo there, that's what you say.
Real. Yes, bossy, it is real and it is live. Bossy, pass my phone over.
So that means you say you believe in it?
Bossy, yes, you have to. That's why I ask you.
But Rasta not supposed to believe that anything.
No, no, we're Rasta supposed to believe in. We're Rasta supposed to know, bossy. Knowing is the key for living. Saying, alright now, bossy, let me be frankly with you with a reason. So, example now, may I show you something, bossy? Saying, Alright, bossy. This a arrowroot. Saying it's a mix with gambling powder and
Me no want a certain part of this whole thing be heard. You understand? Cause I teach Obeah in this video. Yeah, listen.
lay it beside a green skull candle and burn a little each day. A skull candle look like a human head cup, you know. Bossy.
So Rasta, how come you never win the cash pot?
No, ask Peter 2 times I win the cash pot from.
Yeah, that me people. Me I wonder if people really and truly work Obeah for win lotto. All kind of things me I wonder, you know. Yeah man, I wonder if enough people really and truly work Obeah for become successful in life. A lot of people me hear talk about that thing. See, my people, me don't want to talk too much about this whole Obeah thing. I just through this video is being talked about on social media. That's why I present this video to you. I black out a certain part of it because as me I try to do, make you know about this video, but me no want to make people learn certain things from this video because me not encourage this voodoo and witchcraft thing. Me not really depend on that, you see? Yeah man, leave certain works to God. You see me I say? Yeah, him the Almighty, make him do what him I do. Or if you know what I mean, you see? My people, tell me what you think about that video. Do you believe in Obeah or not? Let me know. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that shows when a person throw objects while the person was inside of a business establishment that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, I don't know when the video will be recorded. And in my point of view, based on some things that I saw and heard in the video, it seems as if the person badly damaged and or destroyed certain things inside of that business establishment because of objects that the person threw inside of that business establishment. At least one of those objects that the person threw inside of the store can be considered to be a stone. And I didn't get any confirmed information as to why the person had done something like that, viewers and subscribers. It is not clear if the person was trying to hit at least one person with at least one of those objects. And what the person had done is considered to be vandalism. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding about the whole situation. See, one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Observe. Not about. Yeah, that.
What the? Hey! Not liquor.
Not a long video. You see me as my people. Alright, now my people, so when it comes on to information that are not confirmed information, I rather to explain to you, my viewers and subscribers, in the comment section of each and every videos. You see, because me don't want to go say this happen when it no must go so, because the information that we get unconfirmed. See? So if you want to hear what me hear when it comes on to that video that is circulating on social media, you can ask me in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. But one thing for sure, the video is being talked about on social media, and that's one of the reasons why I presented that video to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video, or you could say another topic. Now, I got information that shots had been fired at a Department of Correctional Services motor vehicle with occupants inside of the motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. I got information that the Department of Correctional Services says that it is on high alert in order to protect staff members. According to a news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, it is said that gunmen opened fire at the motor vehicle while occupants was in the motor vehicle. It is said that after a driver used the motor vehicle to carry staff members home and was returning to the Horizon Adult Remand Center, shots was fired at the motor vehicle within the vicinity of the Spanish Town Road Examination Depot. It is said that gunshots was returned, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that shots was returned, gunshots was returned, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that those persons who was in the motor vehicle arrived safely at the Horizon Adult Remand Center. It is said that the incident happened sometime before or after 2 a.m. on Saturday, that's the 27th of August, the year 2022, and that this is the second attack within a certain period of time that is somewhat similar but not exactly the same, viewers and subscribers. That's what I'm saying to you. And yeah, me not get no information that anyone got injured, viewers and subscribers, who was traveling in the motor vehicle. Me not know about anybody else. You understand? See? But me see a video circulating on social media about this whole situation as well, the people. So me I say, and I real some things I in that video, they make me I wonder if anyone got injured. And I'm not talking about who was in the motor vehicle. I'm talking about who was firing shot at the motor vehicle based on information that I got. You understand? But anyways, me say make you know what I go on, my people. I think I hear some of y'all left it, you know. So big up and respect to each and every one. I hope that this video was informative. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up yourself.